My name is John Paul Smith. I'm the SEO analyst here in Code Authority, and I'm here to help you get your website to the front page. First, if you look at search results for the front page, you'll notice that most of them have one thing in common for a lot of topics, which is a lot of them are aggregations of reviews or top 10 lists, or pretty much content that's kind of unified to help anyone with that search query find the most value that they can with the smallest amount of time investment possible. So really what that means is that just trying to optimize for keywords isn't really enough to get you to the front page. If you want to get your topic out there, you have to provide immediate value for the people searching for what you want to rank for. The best way to do that is through content. And not just any content, you want it to be good, useful content that can immediately answer someone's questions. That's why so many of those top page results are often review lists or someone aggregating a list of the best things that they can do for X, Y, or Z problems. So make sure that you always have content in your website that can actually provide that value and convey an answer to someone searching for those terms. Usually I like to advise against starting with a question like, do you want to get to the front page? Of course most people want to get to the front page. You're not immediately providing value, you're just echoing a question in someone's head. Always trying to join the conversation that's in your client's head already. That way you get a leg in and you'll be able to immediately start responding to their needs.